Everybody, I'm here today to show you how to change default apps in iOS 14. This will be an easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, at the time of me filming this video, you can change the default apps for your browser and also for your email. Meaning, if you get a text message with a link in it, you can choose which browser that will open up when you click that link in the text message, okay? And when you're sending an email, the same thing goes for that. So what you want to do is start off by downloading the other app that you want to choose as the default app. So I have Firefox downloaded right here, and I want Firefox to be my default app as a browser. Once you've downloaded the app, you're going to go to your settings app, okay? Then you're actually going to scroll down and find the app that you want to use. So I'm scrolling down and I'm looking for Firefox, which is right over here. I'm going to click on Firefox, okay? Now you can see right here, it actually says default browser app. And it's saying right now that the default browser app is Safari. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click that. And what I can do now is I can choose Firefox. So now I've selected Firefox, and Firefox will be my default app for my browser. I'm going to go back. We're going to close the settings app, and we're good to go. It's literally that simple. That is how to change the default app on iOS 14. Like I said, as of the time of me filming this, as far as I know, you can change the default apps for your email messages and also for your browser. But I'm sure that there will be additional options in the future. That's my best guess. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.